Okay guys, this is your boy Dynasty Teto Shuraleff, back again with another video. Guys, today we are going to be discussing our gateway, the gateway address of a computer. The gateway address of a computer is actually being used to transmit packages or data, packages that are being sent over on network. It is being made for the transmitting of data packages that is being used, that is being sent over a network. One, today we are going to be looking at this. The gateway of a computer, that's one, we are going to be looking at it. We are going to be looking at the usage of a gateway. We are going to be looking at the type of gateway. They have two types. The two types is logical gateway and a physical gateway. We are going to be looking at them, and we are also going to be looking at example of a gateway address actually. So guys, without further ado, stick down and make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop any video. Guys, without further ado, give the video a thumbs up and let's get straightly into the computer.
And I stick Teto Shuraleff, and I hope that you guys are paying keen attention, and I hope that you guys are subscribed to the YouTube channel if you are new. And guys, do not forget, actually today we are going to be looking at the gateway addresses, of our network. Okay, so guys, without further ado, if you want to know how to access the gateway address to your computer, please check my video section below. I have video on that, and you will get idea on how to access the gateway actually. So guys, without further ado, let's get to this quickly. This is your boy Dynasty Teto Shuraleff, and actually the gateway is actually used for transmitting packages that is being sent over the network. That is just the short cut for it. Okay, so now a gateway is a transmitting address that actually being used to transmit or to transfer data over a network. Actually, when a package is sent over a network, it desires the IP address. The desired IP address, whenever the desired IP address is out of the network, what happens is that the gateway of the transmission will have to work along with that IP address offside. So now, gateway is actually the permission line of allowing the package to flow. It is actually the permission line of allowing the package to flow. So guys, next, let's get to our next slide and see what we have here. We have the use of gateway. Gateway address is actually being used in the three steps that we need here, but there are more. Guys, one, we have gateway address is being used for connecting two devices to communicate. For the connecting of two devices to communicate correctly. So now we have, it can be used for transmitting of packages and data. This can be used for the transmission of packages and what? Data. The transmission of packages and data over a network. Lastly, we have gateway is also being used for data restriction. That is, it restricts the data to a desired IP address. So now we have two types of gateway here. We have the logical gateway and the physical gateway. Guys, we are going to be discussing the both of them. So firstly, we start the logical gateway. The logical gateway is actually being used for examining the destination's IP address. That is, where the data packet is being sent to. The logical gateway have to examine the IP address of that identical host machine that will receive the data. So now, you see the destination IP address about the network, then the package go to the gateway for the transmission outside the network. So now, what happens is, if the IP address, according to the logical gateway, if the IP address that have been examined by the logical gateway is outside of the network, so what's going to happen is that the package is going to be sent outside of the network. Let's continue. We have the physical gateway. The physical gateway is actually an address called the media access control. That is the media access control. It's also a MAC actually. That's a MAC. This physical gateway is assigned when the device is being manufactured and cannot be changed. So now, your MAC address is your physical gateway address. Let me be frank with you guys. And whenever the computer is being manufactured, the MAC address being assigned to it. And then what happens is that The MAC address is also there as a physical gateway that help your computer to communicate correctly, help your computer to transmit data or to help data move faster and send data to its desired destination. So guys, now we're going to be looking at a few examples of a gateway. Example of a gateway. Gateway are almost like our IP address actually. We have gateway of two types here. We have gateway in IP version 4, Internet Protocol version 4, and that Internet Protocol version 4. We have two different examples. First, in version 4, we have 192.168.202.2, and in the same version 4, we have 192.168.202.0. Those are examples of a gateway also. So guys, thank you very much for sticking on to the end. And this is about Dynasty tutorial. I hope that you guys learned something from the video. If you want to access your machine gateway and don't know how to access it, trust me, you can check in my video section below. There are other videos there teaching on how to access your machine gateway. Once again, this is about Dynasty tutorial. I highly appreciate your time, and God bless you as we go through